Hi, first grade. Go ahead and grab your verb packet. You'll need a pencil, glue stick, and a scissor. So grab those items and then we'll get started. We are going to find on our verb a word that names an action, something that you're doing or can do or have done. And we're going to go to this page that says similar verbs with the little boy smiling at top. And we're going to paste. Today, you can write if you want, but it's been a while since we've cut and pasted. So if you guys want to cut it out, you can. So you're going to look for words that are similar. So for example, this little girl, it says run underneath. So what's another word that's down here that's the same as run? So let's review. So I'll put this down here and Miss Kathy can come closer. Let's read over the words that are down here. This says, and I'm going to give you a minute when I point to it for you to say it. Nap, grin, shout. Remember SH says sh, so shout. Sob, giggle. CH says ch, chat. Cook, and jog. So looking back at this one that says run, what's another word, a similar verb that's down here that's the same as run? If you said jog, you are correct. So you can cut it out and glue it on here, or if you want to do your writing because it's quicker, either way.
Jog.
That is Anderson's jog. I did job. This is my job, to make mistakes so you can find them. Jog.
Let's hope somebody else caught that.
I hope so. All right. Jog is the same as run. So you'll do the same thing with this one. Cry. What's another word that's down here that's the same as cry? And you'll fill in or cut out and glue, however you'd like to do that. So similar verbs, because sometimes words are different words, but they mean the same thing. And then we're going to move to the next page. Before we get to that, we're going to talk about, so it's verb in past tense. So when we did our timeline out there, we talked about the past, the present, and the future. So the past was something that already happened. The present is right now, and then the future is what's going to happen. So sometimes in verbs, when you're doing something, it's something that you're doing right now, or it's something that you already did. And so that already did is the past. So looking at these, we have ask. I want to ask Miss Kathy a question. So that's happening right now. Or yesterday, I asked a question. So this happens now. Asked is the past, what happened before. Another example is paint. I want to paint on paper today. Or Monday, I painted on the sidewalk. So happened already in the past. I want to jump on the red squares. That's going to happen now or not. I jumped on the red squares 2 days ago. So something that happened in the past. What do you notice the difference between ask and asked, paint and painted, jump and jumped? They are said different, but they're also spelled different. What do you notice that they all have? If you said they have this ED at the end, you are correct. So a lot of times verbs that go in the past have the ED at the end. And that's what you're going to work with today, is words that have present or have an ED and mean the past. So you're going to, this is one you can definitely cut and paste. So you're going to cut out all the words down here at the bottom and you're going to paste them onto the columns that it belongs. So you're going to sort the verbs and the matching. So this says present, so the ones that do not end in an E, so that are happening now. So I want to go for a walk. I'm going to play, or more past, future as well, things that are going to happen. And this is the past that already happened. I talked to you on Zoom. So you're going to glue them onto the right spots and be thinking of, when you say things, did it happen in the past? Did it happen in the future? Or is it going to happen? Or is it happening now? So think about those. Whew, lots to think about when you're doing those verbs and things. Tomorrow, we'll do some different activities with verbs and some nouns and see if you can find them and how many you find. But for today, I'm trying to think of it's not happened, it's not the past, it's now. So enjoy, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.